everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at, I haven't had a ton of these, but I have had quite a few of them. This is the nicest one I've ever owned. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle, complete rotisserie restoration. 600 miles on it since it's been done. Killer car, guys. This guy said he spent over $60,000 building this car. Beautiful color. It's called Quicksand. And then it's got the, it's actually got black true leather interior in it. It's got a 1641cc upgraded engine in it with upgraded head and dual carbs and 4-speed manual transmission. But this is a show car, guys. It is killer. Gorgeous paint. I mean, they did a phenomenal job restoring this car. Upgraded, those are GT style wheels. It's got upgraded disc brakes on it. A lot of money spent on this car, and it is gorgeous. I mean, you can see the paintwork is slick. It is a nice, we got little wax from the guys waxing, guys, though. It says little white dots. You must have spilled a little wax on it. Like, gorgeous, gorgeous car. Really cool color. And again, it's a 1600 and was it 41cc engine, upgraded the head, dual carbs, upgraded ignition, and it really runs and drives really, really well. If you're seeing that, it's just a little dirt or something the guys missed. Great stance, really hits the road, like I say, hits the road great, shifts out nice. Look at the inner fenders, they're all body color. The bottom of this thing is like brand new. The pan is just like it's a brand new pan. You pull all this stuff back, it's all body color in there. It's the owner's manual. Like you say, it's turnkey. Take it to a show. Just a beautiful car. Love the wheels. Love the stance. I like that the back wheels aren't all bowed in how they are when they lower them down. I know they gotta be like that when they lower them, but I hate that look. Dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. Again, this is all custom leather interior, so it's leather. Bucket seats. Gorgeous steering wheel. 672 miles, guys. Aftermarket AM, FM radio. Again, 4-speed trans. It's got the dual exhaust back here. Just very, very nicely done. Doors click close. I mean, literally click them. Don't slam them, click them shut. I don't know if I could get in the back seat in it. Well, there it is. I don't know if I'm going to fit in there, but kids, definitely. Seats are gorgeous. How nice the dash pad is. Beautiful, beautiful car. gonna have to do stuff backwards, Nathan. I'm gonna go around this way. Radio definitely works. Blower motor works. That's got heat in it, so it does work. Again, click doors, click shut. Wipers, bullet, yeah. Let's do the back where it lights. Man, that's going to be a fun car. Wipers. Yep. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. What a